Hi, my name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services. I've been in the finance and the business world for well over 20 years. You have an excellent question. You ask about variable annuity rates. What are they? Well, first of all, let me explain that an annuity, if you will, replace the word annuity with the word contract so you have a better understanding. It's an agreement between you giving your money and the establishment holding your money, such as a bank or an insurance company. In the annuity field, you have fixed annuities and variable annuities. In the fixed annuities, you have annuities such as a flat fixed or what we now call a fixed indexed annuity, which can have market-like returns, but it's a little safer. Variable annuities, however, must be sold by a licensed broker who is qualified to sell what we call at-risk investments. Remember this, anything that has the word variable means that it is exposed to the investment it's in. So if your variable annuity is in the stock market and the stock market is performing well, then your annuity will perform well. If the stock market is performing poorly, then perhaps so isn't your annuity. Not necessary to say that it's not something you should be in, but you definitely should talk with a licensed professional. Seek outside counsel. My name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services, and as always, we're here to help you build true wealth.